Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have quite a bit of fog that has crept into parts of the west coast. At the same time, we started off the day with light rain and drizzle along the southwest coastline, but it should become dry later over those coastal areas. However, we have this cold front which is set to introduce light rain and drizzle into parts of the south coast. Further east, it will stay unsettled once again with isolated to scattered thunderstorms forecast for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, much of the northwest, southern Gauteng and Mpumalanga, pushing down into southeastern South Africa. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the northern parts of Mpumalanga and much of the Limpopo province. Now here's a look at the chance of you seeing wet weather coming your way this Thursday. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast for much of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the Free State, the eastern parts of the Northern Cape and the western sections of the Northwest. Between a 20 and 40% chance of precipitation is forecast where you see the lighter shades of blue. It's going to be hot once again this afternoon across much of South Africa. Highs in the lower 30s for the Northwest, as well as around Pretoria. A bit cooler for Johannesburg, peaking at 29. A sizzling hot 37 is forecast for Palabora. We are also expecting a hot one across much of KwaZulu-Natal. Fairly comfortable temperatures are expected for the southern parts of the Eastern Cape, where Bishop and Grahamstown will see highs in the mid-20s. We are expecting a hot day around Richards Bay. Fresh to strong northeasterlies are forecast for the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, and stronger winds are expected for the Eastern Cape coast, where winds between 40 and 45 kilometers per hour are expected. Highs around 27 for Somerset East and Oudtshoorn. Otherwise, it's going to be hot over much of the southern interior. A high of 29 for Vredendal. Mild temperatures are forecast this afternoon along the south coast and the southwest coastline. It's going to be pretty breezy around Cape Agulhas and Jeffreys Bay, where winds reaching 40 kilometers per hour are expected. Swell heights of the south coast will be at 2 meters coming from a southwesterly direction. A hot day is forecast across much of the Northern Cape. Fairly manageable temperatures are expected, however, for Sutherland, Colesberg and Kimberley, all peaking at around 29 degrees. We are expecting moderate winds around the Cape Peninsula and over Langaban, but a strong breeze is forecast for Alexander Bay. Looking ahead to your Friday, it's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot over western South Africa, and settled weather is forecast over the eastern areas.